Hi you guys, I want to show you the scapula in drawings like I've been doing with some of the other bones. So I have the posterior view of the scapula where you can see the spine. You can see the spine on this guy. And then the anterior view is I flipped it over. So here are some of those structures. As you have it in this view, you have the spine and then a space above the spine. So that would be the supraspinous fossa because it's a space above that spine. And then right down here would be the infraspinous fossa. Now there's a third fossa, and that one is not on this side here. You're going to have to look at the anterior side, and there you're going to see the subscapular fossa. Okay, in both drawings you can actually see the glenoid cavity. So that's where it's going to form the joint with the humerus, right? With the arm, the glenoid cavity. Good. One confusion that tends to happen is these two sort of protrusions here. What are they? And which is which? So we're going to label this one first. And this is the acromion process. And how are you going to know that? Well, it's actually the continuation of the spine. Right? So just the continuation of the spine is going to be that one protrusion, which is the acromion process. You can also see it here, this one shooting out right there. But the other one that's smaller, that's more like a continuation of the superior border of the scapula, that one, it looks more like a bird. Do you notice how it's like the face of a bird? And that is called the coracoid process. And those are the only structures I wanted to show you on the scapula. I think this is not a difficult one if you just write them down and work on remembering them. So great, thanks for listening.